In this video, I'll guide you through the Patient Hub and show you how to navigate patients' details across the Dental app. Let's start first by navigating to the Patient Hub. You'll find it in the upper right-hand corner. Just click on this icon. This allows you to quickly search for patients or pull up recently viewed patients. When you use the Patient Hub, you'll see a high-level overview of the patient's details, like their name, date of birth, family balance, last and upcoming appointments, and you even have a space to add quick notes. You can also use the search bar in the middle to find a specific patient. Now, let's take a look at the cover page for the patient. The cover page gives you the patient's basic information. You'll see their phone number, date of birth, and medical history, which can either be collected from forms or manually entered. You can also add internal notes, such as important preferences or behavioral notes, and view tasks and upcoming appointments. Next, under Info, you'll find all the patient's personal details. This is where you can add or update family members, edit details like gender, age, and address, and update the preferred method of contact. Set their status. For example, you can mark them as archived if they've left the practice. You can also manage insurance here. Search for existing insurance policies or create new ones. You can input details for primary, secondary, or tertiary insurances. Choose the insurance company, set the policy expectations and frequencies, and update the percentages covered. In the Documents section, you'll be able to view any documents related to the patient and upload new ones. The Account and Communication section shows an overview of the patient's balance. Here you can enter payment details and provider splits, add notes associated with the payments, manage adjustments using the types set up in the settings, and issue refunds, create claims, and set up payment plans and print statements. You'll also be able to see the patient's entire family balance in this section. The Chart section is where you will work on the patient's hard tissue treatments. We've added a lot of shortcuts here to help streamline your workflow. If you don't see what you need, you can always use the search bar to find specific treatments. You'll want to first select the tooth and then search for the treatments. You can also review completed treatments and make adjustments, whether that's removing a treatment or changing its priority. In the treatment planning section, you'll see all the treatments you've created. The list will automatically be prioritized, but you can always adjust it if needed. You can also add discounts or create sub-treatment plans or break things down into smaller, more manageable steps for your patient. If you remove something, it will warn you that you will also be removing this from the chart. Next, we have the Imaging section. This will simply open up SodaCloud, and it'll open it up in a new tab, giving you access to the patient's images. Any claims associated with the patient will appear in the Claims tab. This includes historical claims that have been submitted, resolved, or any pre-authorizations. Finally, we have Forms. This is where you can create a form request. You can send via email or text, or have the patient fill it out right there on the spot.